These performance recommendations for Visual Studio are intended for low memory situations. In these rare cases, you can optimize certain Visual Studio features. It's important to note that these tips and tricks are not intended as general recommendations. Upgrading your operating system from a 32-bit version of Windows to a 64-bit version results in the expanded amount of virtual memory available to Visual Studio. You can open, edit, run, and debug even the biggest and most complex solutions without running out of memory. Visual Studio automatically reopens documents that were left open in the previous session. You can open, edit, run, and debug even the biggest and most complex solutions without running out of memory. If you are typically running low on memory during debugging sessions, you can optimize performance by making one or more configuration changes. Just My Code feature tells the debugger to only step through the code written by yourself and ignore systems, frameworks, or all other code not written by you. The compiler converts source code into machine code, and saves these in symbol files that the processor executes. During native debugging, loading symbol files consume a lot of memory resources. Diagnostic tools are used to have a performance analysis and detailed application insights while debugging. Diagnostic tools are also a resources consumer. CodeLens provides actionable contextual information throughout your source code. The work is performed in a separate process. In large solutions, this feature can have a significant impact on performance. Visual Studio extensions are additional software components to add new or extend existing functionality. Map mode shows thumbnails of the code on the scroll bar. Upon hovering over the scroll bar, you see a preview of the code at that location. The word wrap feature moves the text to the next line when it reaches the right margin of the page or screen. Sometimes memory is used by objects that are no longer needed. You can force the CLR to collect any unused memory. Running with an active antivirus means that each time you start running or debugging your output programs, they are scanned by the antivirus. You can improve Visual Studio performance by disabling the real-time protection on your output directories. These folders can be excluded in antivirus settings. Thanks for watching.